Oh, we have to go get that. Let's go. Tia bang nyo nyo. So we are gonna get tia bang nyo nyo, and but we're gonna ask for it without the noodles because we just had rice noodles just now, right? And yeah. Timboda.
Spicy?
Yes, please. Sort of spicy, half spicy. What is half spicy?
Just half of it.
Idudu.
Idudu.
Indian.
Spicy powder.
Fish. It tastes like matcha. It looks green, but it tastes like what is it? It's a bit salty, a bit herby. Okay. You know? Yeah. We need to go find some fish balls. Oh, even the stick. It's so hot.
No, slow down, sweetie.
It's so hot.
You don't want that.
We said we were gonna try the wing with the rice inside, right?
Yeah, do you want to try it?
Can we please try the rice with the wing inside? Ni hao. It's so
Just take a
hot.
bite.
It is so hot. What are we gonna? They gave me the tiniest chopsticks. What are we gonna do with these chopsticks? Oh, okay. The rice doesn't have salt, right? But then the chicken itself it's spicy a bit and it's very oily, but it's good. It's good. It's good. This is like how true.
Uh-huh.
How her? Okay, how her? Okay. You're not thinking, right? Okay guys, so we were defeated by the food. We couldn't go to as many restaurants as we wanted to go to, but today was really, really good. I'm really competing with that guy. But this is so delicious. This is like my addiction. So we will see you guys next time. Should we decide to make another video. But thank you so much for joining me on my food journey.